Good morning everyone. Myself Ms. Surbi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. I hope you all are doing great. You are staying fit and healthy. So today we are going to start with GK class 4. Chapter 7, that is plants habitat. Now what do you understand by habitat? Habitat is a natural room for plants and animals. Let's read about the plants habitat. Plants are everywhere around us. Different plants grow in different ideal conditions, like every plant needs different temperature based on various factors such as water, nutrients, air, light, temperature, space and time. So every plants need different amount of water, different amount of nutrients, light, water, space, etc. So we are going to read about such plants habitat. Brief description and pictures of places where different plants are grown are given here under. Write the names with the help of the help box. Help box has been given to you at the last. First, a place where cotton, tea, rubber, etc. are grown. That is plantation. Plantation, it is a large field where only one type of crop is grown, and generally cash crops are grown here. Next is a glass building used for growing plants, that is greenhouse. Now greenhouse, see, some plants need partially or fully controlled environment. Okay, so for such plants greenhouse are used. A place where fruit trees are grown. See, that is orchard. Here intentionally trees are grown, shrubs are grown for food items, for producing different food items like nuts, okay, nuts, fruits, etc. Next, fourth one, a place where grapes are grown, that is vineyard. जहाँ पे grapes grow किए जाते हैं, that is vineyard. Wine किसे बोलते हैं? जो grapes की बेल होती है ना, that is known as vineyard. That is known as wine, and जहाँ पे वो grapes grow होते हैं, that is vineyard. Fifth one, a place where flowers are grown, that is garden. See, garden, you can find gardens outside your house, nearby your house. Okay, so these are controlled by us only और सब gardeners. Okay, यहाँ पे हम हमारे पसंद के plants, flowers or anything we can grow by ourselves. Okay, like we can control gardens, and for enjoying natural things and for enjoying natural environment we visit to the garden. Sixth one is a place where plants, trees, creepers grow wildly, that is jungle. Jungles are not controlled by us, ठीक है, ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली जो भी चीज़ ग्रो होती है वहाँ पे लाइक क्रीपर्स, ट्रीज, प्लांट्स एक्सेट्रा. नाउ व्हाट आर क्रीपर्स? क्रीपर्स एंड क्लाइंबर्स सुना है आप लोगों ने? Creepers are that scroll on the ground, that grow by scrolling on the ground, and climbers need support for climbing. Okay, generally see ऐसे क्यों grow होते हैं climbers and creepers? Because they have very weak stem. So such kind of plants you will find in jungle. Next we start with chapter 11, that is athletics world. Okay, now what do you understand by this athletics? This include a group of sport activities that includes like walking, running, jumping, okay, and various games are included in this, that is discus throw, high jump, javelin throw. Let's read about this. The sport of competing in track and field events including running races and various competitions in jumping and throwing constitute the world of athletes. Okay, now let's start with this. Identify the following athletics events and write their names using the help box. You can see the images. Different activities are done by these athletes. First one is discus throw. Now discus throw, what is there in discus throw? The player has to throw this disc, ठीक है, disc or discus, okay, and it is very heavy and it has to he has to throw it far away from the competitor. Like जिसने he throws the disc, and the second one who will come, he has to throw the disc more far away from the place at which he has thrown. Second one is high jump. In this horizontal bars are there. From that the person has to jump without touching this bar. Third one is javelin throw. In this a spare is there, this spare This is like a sharp rod is there, which he has to throw. Like he start running from a few meters away, from few meters he starts running, and by reaching at some particular point he has to throw this at a very far away place. Again जो सबसे ज़्यादा दूर फेंकेगा that will be the winner, that is javelin throw. नेक्स्ट वन फोर्थ दैट इज रिले रेस. रिले रेस आप सब लोगों ने एंजॉय किया होगा इन योर स्कूल ऑल्सो. क्या होता है इसमें? अगेन टीम्स आर देयर, लाइक 4 टीम्स आर देयर. इन ईच टीम 4 people, 4 players will be there. Okay, starting from the first player, he will run by carrying a box, a rod or anything in hand. ठीक है, he has to run, reach the end point, come back and then pass that box or anything whichever he is having to the second player. So this process, जो टीम सबसे पहले खत्म करेगी that team will be the winner. That is relay race. Fifth one, pole vault. In this pole vault, one flexible rod is having, the player is having one flexible rod. Using this flexible rod, the player has to jump from this horizontal bar without touching the bar. Sixth one is hurdle race. सबने सुना होगा hurdle race के बारे में. Okay, it is 110 meters, है ना. The distance is different, and the more the distance, the more the hurdles. Hurdles is this, okay, this barriers. ठीक है. So the player, the one who is running, the player who is running has to cross these hurdles while he is running at the same speed. In this, the one who will reach the finishing point first will be the winner. Let's start with chapter 12, that is common diseases. Now what are diseases? Okay, this is an illness in a human body, that is called disease. Diseases can be of any type. Let's talk about such common diseases. Different diseases affect different parts of the human body. Like goiter. Goiter कहाँ पे होता है? नेक पे होता है, गले में होता है. टॉन्सिल्स होते हैं. टॉन्सिल्स कहाँ पे होते हैं? गले में होते हैं. ठीक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट सच डिजीजेस. We should take medical advice quickly whenever a disease attacks us. First one is arthritis. Arthritis, that is caused where? Liver or joints? Joints. Okay. In this, the joints get swollen up and the person is not able to even fold the hand. Like ऐसे जहाँ भी joints है वहाँ पे वो उस चीज़ को fold, bend नहीं कर पाएगा. Asthma. Asthma is caused in the lungs. कहाँ पे होता है? Lungs. Okay. What happened? The person is not getting enough amount of oxygen, like he face difficulty in breathing. Third one is diabetes. Diabetes, that is caused due to the high level of sugar in the blood. Okay, and that is held in the pancreas. Like pancreas generate insulin, and when that insulin, the amount of insulin is not regulated by pancreas, the blood sugar gets high or low. Next, fourth one is eczema. Eczema is, it is generally caused on the skin. Irritation, itching, such kind of things are there, and red patches you get when you get eczema, that is held on skin. Fifth one is goiter. Goiter is intestine or thyroid. Where it is caused? Because of what it is caused? That is thyroid. Okay? That is lack of iodine. Okay? Sixth one is polio. Polio is a virus. Generally what happened in the legs get paralyzed. Okay? So but it is not that dangerous. It can be cured by polio vaccine. Seventh is tonsillitis. That is कहाँ पे होते हैं? Throat. Eighth one is malaria. Malaria again spleen. Spleen, it is a small organ. Okay, that is above your stomach and under your rib cage. So and it is caused by biting of a mosquito. So this is it. I hope you all understood the chapters well. Thank you.